Hello guys, welcome back to another review. Today we're just gonna take a look at something interesting. This is one of those Wells Fargo horses. So this is from Wells Fargo, and it's one of those merchandises that you can get from credits and points. I don't know. I didn't get this one, but some other people got it, and they say they spent points or something, credits for it. I don't know. I don't know what that is. But yeah, this is, I think there was a Wells Fargo in Seattle Safeway, and that's where they got it from. And look, this was from 2016. Focus, not too bright. 2016. Interesting. Um, I'll go over some price with them. It's a really not. It's not a bad looking plush horse. I don't really collect these, but I just like branded stuff. Like if you have a horse and it's branded Coca-Cola, I'll probably get it just because of the brand relating to it, except Supreme stuff. Well, okay. So, Wells Fargo, guess how much it's worth? Guess how much it's worth on eBay with a tag. I don't have a tag. This sells for $2. Extremely cheap. Extremely cheap. I can't believe how cheap this was. I was so surprised. From 2016, um, this one would cost you around $3 to $4. $2, the cheapest one I find, and the mid range is about $3. And there's not much to it. It's just a nice little horse merchandise from Wells Fargo, and if you don't know what, that's a bank. But yeah, other than that, there's not much to it. It's just a sell your horse, and yeah, just a short little video describing it, what it is and how much it costs. I don't think they still have it in the bank, but you can probably find it on eBay. They don't have it on Amazon. It's an eBay thing. You have to look for it. Oh yeah, yeah. It's not very expensive. So you want one? Get on eBay. You probably spend less than $5 on it. So yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day.